Peeps, what's happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. So most of you may know I've been away for a couple of days, and good old Aaron said I'll drop your keys off to you, and fair play to him, he's dropped the keys off. And then he was like, oh, I'm trying to get my car mapped today, so I said ring him back and we'll go. So Matt Lewis have got back to him and said bring it down, we'll map it. So we're taking the goal for a stage 1 remap. So what brake are the standard? 220, 240? 220, so 220 brake for stage 1 remap. Did they say it'll be like 70%, 70 brake more, so about 320, something like that?
Yeah, so 290 to 310 I guess, yeah, apparently.
So yeah, 300 and, well, 290, 310. Let's see what we do. Is he gonna dyno it or not? No, so we don't actually know what he's gonna do. I think it's just a Revo plug-in flash map, and yeah, so fingers crossed we can get some gain. So literally all this has got is an AirTech induction kit. We've changed the diverter valve. You put just an upgraded but OEM one, yeah?
A revised one.
Yep, so it's in a revised one, and we have got a Scorpion, is it 2.5 inch or 3 inch?
3 inch, I think.
3 inch decat, and that is it, isn't it? We've got a dog bone mount to fit, and we've got a muffler delete, yeah, to fit. So it's got the AirTech turbo elbow, is it?
Yeah.
So hopefully, yeah. We need the dog bone mount like ASAP because we do get a lot of bounce. So yeah, let's get to Matt Lewis. I've never been to Matt Lewis, even though it's got loads of Fords. So hopefully there's some sexy Focus RS's there. Yeah, that's another thing. So yeah, right, catch you in a minute. Go. This is just about to go for mapping. Big fat turbo, screamer pipe, smooth as you like. Look at that cut. We were just saying that I'd defo fuck that cut up. But yeah, this is something else, man. So I think he's done it properly from the looks of it. All oil breathers, oil cooler, intercooler, AirTech as usual. Whose car is this? Surely someone's going to tag me in this car. Yeah, this is serious, man. Oh look, oh he's done it properly though. K Sports, rotors, yeah man. Really like this as well. Fiesta Gti Mk7, blue. I think it's Imperial blue. I think, might be wrong. Or is that just an RS colour? Compo motives in white, look unbelievable, but a bastard to clean. I can't even show you the steering wheel, but it's carbon fibre. Yeah man, it's just like OEM plus kind of look. What do we think? That's pucker that, isn't it, guys? Here we go. Reprogramming the ECU. Lovely stuff. Whoever made this number plate is spot on. Power is nothing without noise. So hopefully we can have an initial pull. There is a bit of traffic. What we're doing, third gear. Defo stronger, isn't it? It's even like towards the top of the red range, man. Like that. What's that? Are you you ain't even gonna know really, but he said it should be like nearly 100 brake increase, so definitely first gear is absolutely no-go, and second gear started to light up the tyres, so yeah, we'll see how we get on. Well guys, so just finishing up the video now, and I kind of left a couple of things out, so I'm just going to go over them now so I know that we're all on the same page. So mate wanted to get his golf map, so we got all the basic bits done. So for a stage 1 remap with Revo, which most companies, obviously Matt Lewis is a Revo dealer, so they can just literally, as long as you've got the right mods, they can plug it in, load a map onto it, job done. So initially he wanted a stage 1 map, so stage 1 map, you don't actually need the mods that he's got, so he could quite clearly go on to stage 2, but he would need an intercooler, that's it. So at the minute we've gone stage 1, so we've got an induction kit and we've got a decat, that's it. So we should be on the higher stage of stage 1, so we should be looking at around 290 to 310, 320 brake, and I believe it said 340 to 360 pounds for a torque, which is a very good figure. That's like McGann figures. So yeah, literally went there, literally plugged the thing in, half an hour, recalibrate the ECU, job done. So kind of like missed out some of that kind of stuff, information, so I just thought I'd recap it here now and tell you the sketch. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This is a bit different on the old Golf. I said that if I can get content then we'll get stuck in, so today we took the Golf for a map, and honestly if it was my car I'd be well over the moon with it. Literally a map and you get like 80 to 100 brake, it is absolutely incredible, with basic bolt-ons as well. Like, it is mental the power these VAG cars have that they don't let them have from like factory. Like the Golf should feel like that from the factories, you know what I mean? So I would definitely say the Revo software has made a massive difference on the car. The car feels so much more aggressive, and even like the pull on it, like you could be second, third gear and you can still feel the car pulling. So yeah, stick around if you want to see more updates on the Golf, because this Golf is going places. We've got coilovers to fit, we got wheels to get, we got new turbos to put on, all sorts of stuff, so definitely stay tuned. If you'd like to see a little POV drive of me driving the car and stuff like that, and yeah, the tags, stuff's happening to the tags, so wait and see. Kind of went to Matt Lewis, and obviously it's a Ford, mainly Ford kind of setup at the moment, and I was looking at Focus RS's, Fiesta STs, Focus STs, and I'm literally like, what have I done? What have I done? So yeah, all will be explained in the next couple of videos anyway, so, and you'll see where we're going. So yeah, stay tuned guys, comment down below, hope you like the video, and make sure you subscribe. So see you on the next one, peace.